You to just maybe start a little bit, tell us a little bit about who you are, what you do at your organization, so that the wider audience that is connected to the ABF know who you are.
Okay, so my name is Marc Juarez. I'm from Spain, living in Germany for 7 years, and before I also lived in France. And I'm working in Seoul Semiconductor, is a world top LED number 3 LED manufacturer in the world. So I think we started the revolution of LEDs 10 years ago, when all the lamps were highly consuming energy, and we could reduce really a lot the consumption of energy in the world. And now there is a new step for us, yeah, to also help all the food system and the food chain to reduce the footprint in the wall and to increase the efficiency and reduce the energy to bring food everywhere. And so that's one of our biggest challenge and biggest interest from our company and also from myself to participate in the IBF.
It's an exciting time as well, because I think there's an awful lot going on in the industry. There's a lot of developments and changes which are taking the industry forward in big strides.
Correct.
So yeah, LED lighting being only a huge part of it, but it's but together with the other developments that are taking place and just in AI, etc., the future looks very bright, doesn't it?
Yeah, correct, clear. So I think how we are growing the food, it should change because the land is also very misused somehow. So I think there are better methods, right, to grow the food. And with the control environments, today we can really make a lot of better improvements and better things. But we still need to keep investing in the technology, especially the high consuming technologies that we use for vertical farming, like the lighting, because we try to simulate the sun, that is for free. and we have to reach higher efficiencies and decrease the cost of these products, that we can really have a more sustainable future. So this is where we are working on, yeah, to increase the efficiency of the LEDs, to increase the reliability, the lifetime, and to decrease the cost, that this is more affordable and we can make more products indoors in the control environment.
It sounds very exciting what you're doing. Congratulations again on your latest patent. So yeah, no, you guys are making great waves. You're going to be joining us.
Fortunately, I will not be there. It will be one of my colleagues. I will be on holidays. It was.
That's very disappointing. We were hoping to meet you.
Yes. Very disappointing also for me, because so many good people going there, the speakers, and so many talented people there. And I will miss to meet all of you. But yeah.
Where are you going on holiday? Where are you going to leave us for?
This is a good question. I rented a sailing boat in Spain, and I will be doing a little bit the coast in Spain from Barcelona to the north, and then going back.
Yeah. Have a lovely time and safe trip.
Yeah, thank you.
So, why is your organization coming to the summit? Why is the summit important for you guys?
Yeah, for us, I think as I mentioned, we are number 3 LED maker in the world, but still many people doesn't know about us, right? So I think it's a very good opportunity for us to be in the summit, to present our company, to also show what we do, the technologies we develop, the products we do, and also to present a bit our partners, because at the end, Seoul Semi is also not doing final products, right? So that's maybe why we are not very well known as Signify or Osram, because they do bulbs and finished goods, but we just do the semiconductor. But it's the core of the luminaire at the end, right?
Yes.
So what we try to do also to show some of our latest technology. One of it is called Sunlight, where we reproduce the sun spectrum. That this is really a breakthrough technology, because we research a lot, we invest a lot in how to reproduce the sun, the same spectrum. because until now the spectrum of the LEDs for plants is not really natural. So we are losing also some things for getting another one.
Yeah.
And when we are capable to reproduce the sun and to have the same spectrum,
Mm-hmm.
then we are really growing like outside but inside. The same vitamins with the same proteins as we would have outdoors. But this is still a big challenge for the indoor.
And your base, your market base is actually global, isn't it?
Correct. So Seoul, it has a presence in more than 35 countries. We have 6 R&D centers all around the world, from US, China, companies from South Korea. Here in Munich, we have our R&D center for Europe and our headquarters for Europe.
Mm-hmm.
And then we also have 3 manufacturing places in Korea, China, and the newest one is in Vietnam, where we opened in 2017, the biggest factory of the group, with more than 100,000 square meters, so really huge factory, just to do small things, really tiny things of 3 millimeters. But we do billions per month, right?
Yeah.
So this is really a huge amount.
Yeah, wonderful. And you're looking obviously to network and opportunities to collaborate with other people and move your
Correct.
business forward and the idea of your business forward. And then you have a global presence, so you can get pretty much anywhere, which is quite good because our community is very global.
Correct. So this is very good for us, and ABF, I think, is also very global, and it fits very, very good with us.
Yeah.
And we can support any customer in Europe, US, or where there are also the big markets. We are also present there with technical people, engineers. And as I mentioned, we don't do the luminaires, but we can support them really a lot. Which LED, why this LED, and also we have a great cost. Let's say the economy of scale is very big. We can offer good products at good price.
Fabulous. Well, you certainly sold me. Not that I'm going to be buying for a vegetable farm right now, but you've certainly sold me on it.
Very good, thank you.
And I'm asking all our speakers, just for a little bit of fun so that we get to know you a little better. If you were a vegetable or a fruit that was being grown in a vertical farm, what would you be and why?
Okay, from vertical farm, I try a little bit already, some vertical farm. And I like a lot the lettuce. I like a lot the lettuce, I don't know. It tastes good, it has a very nice color, it's super fresh. Usually the lettuce I buy in the supermarket, it's grown 1,000 kilometers away. It's already a week that it's been harvested, yeah?
Yeah.
So I really like the lettuce and these greens that are really fresh, because the quality increases a lot compared to the supermarket offer.
Yeah, no, I mean, especially with leafy greens, I think that it makes a huge difference.
Yes.
Herbs as well, like mint and coriander, makes a huge difference.
Yes.
There's a lot to be said for being very fresh. Well, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful for your time.
Thanks a lot.